Hi my dear students, today I will discuss about relations. The definition I have given you before, I hope you know it. Today I will explain you what is the meaning of domain, what is the meaning of range and what is the meaning of codomain. Okay, so let me explain you through an arrow diagram. Suppose this is a relationship which is given to you. Here are A, B, C and D. Here are say 1, 2, 3 and 4, maybe 5, and the relationship A is given related to 1, B is related to 2 and C is related to 3. This is a relationship and the way of this representation is called arrow diagram. Okay, what do we call it? Arrow diagram. Okay, so this is called set A. This entire set is A and this entire set is B. Out of A, which elements are used up to make a relation are called domain. Let me show you what is the relation here. A with 1, B with 2 and C with 3. This is the relation. So guys, the first elements of the relation are called domain. So what is the domain here? Is A, B and C. Okay, all those elements which are connected, which are having image. Okay, then one term is codomain. Codomain is the entire set P at which the mapping is happening. Mapping means where we are putting the connection. So entire B set, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, everything will come here. Nothing is left over. Now out of this we will see what is range. So where is the range? Range is the second element of the ordered pair. These ones 1, 2, 3. See, there are many elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but out of that only these 3 are used up. These 3 are used up. So what elements are used up are to make a relation are called range. Okay, domain, the first elements of the relationship, range second elements, and codomain is this entire set from where we are picking up the elements. This elements are called domain. If all elements are being used up, then entire set will be called as domain. Now we will learn how to represent the relations. So this is called representation. So there are two ways of representation, guys: set builder form and roster form. Set builder form is just looks a fancy name, but it is nothing but definition. Means if we are giving definition of a relationship, we call it set builder form. Roster form, instead of giving definition, we provide you the relation, guys. This is the relation. Okay, for example, I provide you a relation. Say I say the relation is this: 2, 4, 3, 9 and 4, 16. Suppose this is the relation. So this is called roster form. Roster form means I am providing the actual numbers. You don't have to apply your brain. You can just look at the number and tell these are the elements available in relationship. In definition, instead of giving this, I will give, guys, x is x comma y, where what is y? Y is the second element, x is the first element. So I can say where y is nothing but x square. Matlab second element is the square of the first element, and I can also say x is taken from A and I can say y is taken from B. Okay, along with this I must have a knowledge what are the elements present in A and what are the elements present in B. For example, x might be having 1, x might be if set A is having numbers say 2, 3 and 4 only. Okay, and B is having maybe 4, 5, 7, 9 and 16. So what does it mean? Means when you are making up a relationship, X numbers have to be taken from set A and Y numbers have to be taken from B. Okay, and this is the relationship between X and Y. So using this definition you can find out the elements present in relation. You will understand it better when we will do examples. So here this is enough to know that set builder form means definition is given. Set builder form means definition. Roster form direct elements. Okay, direct elements. Now let's try first question to understand it better. Here is the question, set A is given, a relation is built up from A to A. From A to A means both X and Y are taken from A itself. Okay, this is something like this. Suppose you have this set A mapped on A with A. The elements that you can pick up from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's see how many elements will be used in this definition. So this is given, which is called set builder form is given. Okay. So let's make a roster form. Let's convert it into roster form so that we know exactly which element is connected where. So let me pick up X is equal to 1 first. Always X we take from here and Y we take from here. So what will be Y, guys? Y is X plus 1 according to definition. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So that means clearly 1 is connected to 2. We got it? So if I want to write R, so R will look like this first element. If I take X is equal to 2, then what? So my Y will be 2 plus 1, which is 3. That means 2 is connected to 3. Perfect. Now if I take X is equal to 3, so Y will be 3 plus 1, which is 4. X is equal to 4 if I take, so Y will be 4 plus 1, which is 5. Okay. Now let me take X is equal to 5. So Y will be 5 plus 1, which is 6. If X is 6, Y will be 6 plus 1, which is 7. See here, 7 is not even there. See, if I want to make, where is 3 connected? 3 is connected to 4. So 3 is connected to 4. Now 4 is connected to 5. 4 is connected to 5. 5 is having a relation with 6. Now 6 is having with the relation 7. Since 7 is not even present here, is not element of A, so this will not be present in your relation. So we can't consider this part. So only relations which are present elements are 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5 and 5, 6. So this is my roster form of my relation. Okay. Once I know the roster form, this roster form I can convert into arrow diagram, which I have done here. So my A part is complete. So this is how the relation is shown in the arrow diagram. Now they are asking what is domain. So guys, I told you domain means, what is domain? Domain means the first element. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are domains 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is domain. And what is codomain? I told you codomain means the entire set B. Here B is not a separate set. A itself is being used. Codomain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, it is including 6. In domain 6 is not included because 6 is not having any image. Now what is range? Range means the second element. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, the second part of the ordered pairs. So that means 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 means only those elements which got used up in making pairs. This is your range. And what is domain? Domain is this which got used up from first, which is this. Okay, I hope you understood. So let's do one more question. This is example 8. It says the diagram is given P and Q. Write the relation in set builder form. So here is the diagram which is given, and we have to write it in set builder form, roster form, and domain and range. So it's easy to write the roster form first, okay, because we can see directly what all is there. So I am writing roster form first because I know clearly 9 is connected to 3. You can see that. Then 9 is connected to -3. 4 is connected to 2. 4 is connected to -2. You can observe it. 4 is connected to -2 as well, and 4 is connected to 2. Here 25 is connected to 5. If you see, 25 is connected to 5 here and connected to -5. 25 to -5. So this is the relationship, roster form. Now we have to write it in set builder form. In set builder form, guys, we have to write a definition. So if you observe carefully the first element x and y element, it seems to be that x is nothing but square of y. Don't you feel that? Okay, see here, x is nothing but square of y. So I can write down that it is nothing but x comma y, where x is square of y, where x is taken from P and y is taken from Q. So this is clearly my set builder form. Now they're asking what is domain. So domain is nothing, guys, is the first element of all pairs, right? First element. So 9 9 4 4 25 25, they're repeated, so we have to write just once. So this is the domain, 9 4 25. Domain always comes from the first set. This is P, right? It comes from first set, 9 4 25. Then they're asking range. So range comes from second set, which is the second part of the ordered pair, 2 -2 5 and -5. Remember, in second set, if you observe in second, this is P and this is Q, this is also there, but this is not being used up, so it will not be the part of range. Range means only those elements which are being used. These are being used. One is never being used up in making a relation in this particular relation. So that's why here I can say, guys, your domain is nothing but 9 4 25, and range is nothing but -5 5, right? You can say 3 -3, 2 -2. All these elements is range. So this is my answer. I hope you got it.